Okay, on this video, I'm just gonna show how to do the wrap. Refer to the video, to the written pattern on the length to wrap. So I'm gonna do a few wraps, and I will do them in slow motion, so you'll know. And you will do the wrap the same way on both sides. And if you wrap it right, even if you turn it this way, they are still going to look the same. So make sure that you pay attention to the wrap, and you just do it the opposite, on the opposite side, the same way. And when you're done with your length, do not cut your wire off at the time. Leave that wire on. And I'm going to show you. So you wrap it twice around the middle wire. I've already wrapped it twice around the middle wire. This one will cut and tuck in after we're done with the wrap. Because right now you're using it to hold. You're using your thumb to hold that wire so it doesn't go anywhere. So what you want to do, and this is a repetitive. If you have to, move these out of the way. Move them out of your way, and just pick these up. Make sure that the wires are more or less straight. No kinks. I just use my fingers. You can use your nylon pliers. So, okay, so here we go. We're going to go in slow motion. Okay guys, so I've did some in slow motion. So basically, like, you're starting from the back when you wrap 3, uh, 2, at least 1 to 3 at the beginning. And you can use your nylon pliers to give it a little squeeze, or you can wait till you're done. So once you start at the back, basically you're going to go under, over the bottom of the top 2, go between the second and the third wire, back up between the first and the second wire, and then up over the top wire. Now when you go up over the top wire, you don't go between these 2, you go under all of them, back under the first and the second, in between the second and the third. And since you're going to do the top, then you go between the first and the second, over the top, go all the way to the bottom, to the first wire, over the first and the second, and between the first and the second, and over the top. Again, over the first and the second, and between the first and the second, then over the top. And you will do this on both sides. You'll do this on both sides for the length recommended on the pattern. You can use 26 gauge or 28 gauge wire. I'm actually, I ran out of 26 gauge, and that is what I recommended. I'm using the 28 gauge, but this is hard wire, so it's not very soft wire, but you can use either or. It'll just be a little bit smaller. On this side, you're going to do the same. You're going to get these 3 and do the same thing as this side to the recommended size on the pattern. And you actually want to do it, measure it from the top, and to get the recommended size. So hopefully this helped you. It's just a bit, basically a simple figure 8, almost figure 8, except you've got the third wire in the middle. And once you do this side, refer to the pattern to complete the claw area. I will take pictures of it and how we take care of this. I'll be back when we're ready to do the stinger. I will be doing the stinger on video. That's or maybe not. If I can do it on paper pattern, I'll do that, but more than likely it'll be on video. Thanks for watching.